Hello fellas. So what you see here are pieces of wood that I recently received in my mail because this is what I'm gonna build for one of my kid. This is a study table. We already received the table, but it's of course not assembled, and that's the task at hand today. But problem is that the assembly instructions is only this stupid kind of page. If you look at it, I mean, you cannot even read what's written on it. I don't know what this is, R1, R2. Anyways, that's the task at hand, so let's get started. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you can receive notifications of the latest upcoming videos. Let's move forward. Okay, so we have received these wood screws, bundle of these things, small screws, and these L supports or whatever you want to call them, I don't know. And yeah, we need a drill machine, and that's actually pretty much it. Yeah, let's get started. Alright, so we have this long piece of wood. It has R6, R5, 4, what is that, R3, R2, and I've arranged all of them here. So let's join them. That's one. Just like this one, you have to add R3, R4, R5, and R6. So let me do that offline. Alright, so I've assembled all those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we have to attach this large piece of wood on that side. Okay, so this part is finally done. It looks pretty nice and beautiful. So now what I'm gonna do is attach these three, this one, and that one, to make like the platform of the study table. So we are here done till this stage, and now this one will go right in between as a support and as back support. Yeah. Yep. Something like this. And then yeah. So you have to tighten the screws from here and on the other end. Alright, this looks pretty sturdy, and we have this support already as well. So let's make the other ends of the table. So basically, if you look at this, we have made this one, which is right here, and then we have made this portion, right, which is of course right here, and now we have to use those like 4 pieces only. We have this 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's pretty much it. Alright, so this one is done, it's right there, and that one is going to be fixed right here, and underneath this one is that one. I'll be back after fixing it. That is done. Next is the turn for this one. Alright, so we have an assembled one part, and we have an assembled another part. So basically we have assembled all this entire portion, and separately we have assembled this portion. Now we have to attach them together, this one underneath that one right there. Alright, so we have almost the final product, and now what we need to do is then attach these things onto the places where we have screws so that it doesn't look that bad, just like this one. Alright, so this looks like completely assembled. And not only that, meanwhile I was offline, I also assembled another one for the other kid, right? A mirror image of this one, and that's right here. And this one. We don't have a chair right now for the kid, so it sits on the horsey and does the work. And the other one is right there. So guys, let's call it a day and see you later.